Nobody asked for a classic Porsche to be reborn with over 700 horsepower unless they are chasing a feeling that modern supercars forgot how to deliver. So how did this one end up revving past 9,000 RPM without losing its soul? What you are looking at is the first Porsche 911 reimagined through DLS Turbo services by Singer Vehicle Design, and it is not just another high-powered restomod. This car, named Sorcerer by its owner, starts life as a Type 964 chassis and is stripped down to its bare steel structure before being rebuilt with obsessive intent. The goal is not nostalgia. The goal is intensity. The engine is where expectations are flipped. At the center sits a 3.8-liter flat 6 that combines air-cooled cylinders with water-cooled cylinder heads and an electrically powered fan. Twin turbochargers help deliver over 700 horsepower and 750 newton-meters of torque, while the engine still spins past 9,000 revolutions per minute. That combination alone explains why this build exists. Turbocharged torque without sacrificing the high revving character that defines the Porsche 911 experience. Power is sent through a 6-speed manual transmission to the rear wheels only because Singer believes involvement matters more than lap time bragging rights. Driver adjustable modes allow the car to behave differently on road, track, wet surfaces, or relaxed driving, but the connection never disappears. The bodywork is entirely carbon fiber and shaped with advanced airflow analysis to improve cooling and aerodynamic efficiency. The design references endurance race cars from the late 1970s, giving Sorcerer a purpose-driven stance with a raised rear wing and deep front spoiler. The Fantasia blue finish darkens toward the rear, adding motion even when the car is standing still. Inside, the cabin avoids digital overload. Pebble gray leather, pearl gray Alcantara, champagne trim, and hand-built floating gauges bring craftsmanship back into focus. Technology is present but discreet, allowing navigation and phone connectivity without stealing attention from the drive. This is not a museum piece. Singer Test drives its cars across some of the most demanding proving grounds in the world to ensure durability and precision. Sorcerer exists to be driven, not admired from behind velvet ropes.